Join me today as we talk about how to get your pot and pan area more organized. Opening your pot and pan cabinet only to have everything come crashing down on the floor or on top of you is not an ideal way. Today we're going to talk about how to store these cumbersome items. Here are a few simple ways to combat your pot and pan area. Wire racks. Get some wire racks and attach them to the back of your cupboard. Then you can easily store your pans inside the wire racks on the back, all in one area. They can take from the bottom to the top, and that's going to open up a lot of other room for your big pots. You're going to want to stack your pots together according to size and set them next to your pans. Okay, maybe you don't have the money for a wire rack. I totally get it. The next option we're going to talk about is stacking. You can stack these pots and pans inside a cupboard or on an open shelf. You're going to do this according to size. Of course, your largest pan is going to be on the bottom, all the way up to your smallest, and the same with your pots. Let's go vertical. Get a standing paper organizer or something that you would typically see on your desk. Use these to put your muffin pans, your baking sheets, your lids for your pots and pans in. This way you have little areas in your cupboard or on your open shelf to place these items, and they're secure and they're not going to fall on you. Join me for our next video as we talk about organizing your dishes. Welcome to DIY Your Life. Please hit the subscribe button and click on the little bell next to it so you never miss an organizational or cleaning video. Share this video on your social media with all your friends and family, and please click the thumbs up button below. Thanks!